Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some of the key questions that you guys are asking me when it comes to setting up a business within Dubai. Now, if you have a pen and paper, you might want to take note of this. So what are the different business setup options within Dubai? There are two business types that you get, a mainland company setup, or you get a free zone company setup. These two, depending on your circumstances and your scenario, you'd have to select. But again, me and my team will support you to ensure that you pick the right one that gives you the best opportunity for success. And of course, you maintain 100% ownership of this. Now, number two, which some of the free zones is best for my business? Now, remember guys, I've said this in my past videos as well. If you are setting up a business in Dubai and you really want it to be successful going forward, choosing the right trade license can really make you successful or make you fail in your endeavor. I know certain circumstances whereby free zone companies do not get preferred because there's a mainland person that's applying, and the mainland company is always preferred. I have seen these situations before. So choosing the right free zone license or the right free zone versus mainland can, in the long term, have substantial benefits or substantial, cost implications for you. Now, how much does it cost to set up a business in Dubai? Now, look, guys, I've said this on my channel many times. I only go through authorized, licensed government centers. Other people, I do not know what they are using, other brokerages, what they're using to set up their trade licenses. So the costs on my channel, I've been very open about this. We're looking at around about £10,000, $11,000 to $12,000 when it comes to setting up trade licenses. I've been very open on that on this channel because everything that we do is official. So that is what you're looking to pay for. And even if you're, and for a free zone versus a mainland, you might only save a couple of $1,000 here or there. It's not a huge difference in my opinion, but it just means that why not always opt for the mainland, whereby you can always be, it's always more favored, right? Do I need a local sponsor or a UAE partner for free zone companies? No, you have 100% foreign ownership. And mainland companies, most businesses are 100% owned, except for strategic ones, oil, banking and defense. That's where you need a local partner. But the rest of the mainland companies, 100% full ownership, unless you're going into oil, banking and defense. Professional services and consulting, so it's yours, so you're very much in your, you have full ownership of this, okay? And what documents are needed to register a company? Passport copy of the owner, visa copy, business plan, and a tenancy contract if you are looking to set up an office for a mainland setup. What are the series of steps to start a business within Dubai? Of course, go about choosing your business activity, which will support you on, and the location, mainland versus free zone. Select the business name, apply for your trade license, which will support you on, get the approvals from the government authorities, which my team is going to do, register with Dubai Economy, obtain the license, which my team will do, open the corporate bank account, which will support you in doing, and apply for the UAE residency visa, which will also help you doing. So that's some of the steps that we go through. How long does this take? Roughly 2 weeks. I would say minimum 2 weeks is what you're looking at, 2 to 3 weeks. And if you're setting up retail like restaurants, it can take up to several weeks. Depends on the municipality approvals. And can you get a UAE visa, residence visa through my business? Yes, you can. You can absolutely do that. And so business owners can apply for UAE investor visa 2 to 10 years, and employees can also get residence visas as well. And taxes, very important. No personal income tax, so whatever money you're earning, you don't pay any income. No corporate tax for free zone companies, as we spoke about before, unless they do business in the mainland. Corporate tax is 9%, and it applies to mainland companies earning 375,000 dirhams above. And VAT, 5% applies if the revenue exceeds 375,000 dirhams per year. Can you own 100% of my business in Dubai? Yes, you can in most businesses, unless it's a strategic thing. And final thoughts, it's basically, you need someone here to support you. There's a lot of scams that are running in Dubai. You should all be aware of this. It's something that you should always keep in the back of your mind. It's sad to see when other entrepreneurs, they get caught up in the wrong brokerages and they give you the wrong pricing. Just a couple of days ago, I had a person who watched one of my videos. They responded back to me and they said, hey, I'm getting a free zone trade license for, I think it was like $2,000, $3,000. And we looked at it and my team was like, this is right. Number one, you're going to be missing something. You're probably not going to get a visa. You're probably not going to get this hidden charges. Blah, blah, blah. Once when I told the individual, they didn't listen. They went ahead and they thought it was cheaper to get the job done. I think the person, from what I've understood, hasn't been successful. They've lost that money, from what I've understood. So please do not fall into that trap. This is happening, and the reason why I always say is that we go through official channels, government channels, to ensure that you get everything correct. And we're very open and honest on this channel how much it costs to get a business trade license set up. We're talking about the region of £10,000 to $11,000 to $12,000. That's what we're looking at. Anything less than that, I'd be questioning. Why is there no hidden charges? Are you getting a visa? Are you getting an Emirates ID? What's happening if you're a Jari? What's happening if you're a trade license? Is it going through a proper channel? Is it licensed people? Is it everything official? There's so many questions that can get asked. There's so many problems that you can occur. In some instances, I've seen individuals set up a wrong, they've been given a wrong trade license setup, and later on, you can get fined. You can get fined as well. So do not fall into the trap that, oh, it's more cheaper, it's more cost effective. At the end of the day, you're running the long-term risk of losing your money. That's it. Even if you're paying $3,000, I know it sounds cheaper, but honestly, it's not worth it. It's not worth it, and you're risking that. Really, you are. The other problem is that there's so many videos that are making this topic even more complicated. The topic is very simple. If you want to set up a business for long-term success within Dubai, and it is in a very specific sector, you go for mainland. If you've got a website, which is 90% of the people that you are, you go for free zone. It's really as simple as that. If you're doing something professional, IT consulting, retail, doctor, restaurant, all this stuff, it's mainland. No questions asked. You don't even need to research it. We're telling you right now. If you're setting up a website, you go for free zone. If you're setting up a import-export business, free zone. So there's certain things that you just can't get away from. There's certain rules which 80 to 90% of you fall into. And that's your baselines there. There's nothing more to it. Okay? And guys, if you want to set up a trade license, you want to buy property, you want to fill out your corporate tax returns, you need visa and sponsorships, contact me. My team can support you, and you can get that done for a trusted organization like me and my team. My contact details is in the WhatsApp description below. Click on it and get into a discussion with me and one of my team members. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and click the bell icon so you're notified of my videos I'm posting on a daily and weekly basis. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.